How to DIY a doormat with Cricut. Step 1. In Cricut DesignSpace, click on the text tool and type up the words you want to add to the doormat. Step 2. Then click on the Fonts drop-down menu, search and select the font you want to use. Step 3. You can set different fonts for different lines depending on your preference. Step 4. Reposition the texts, then change the line spacing from the letter space drop-down menu in the toolbar. Step 5. Click on Ungroup in the Layers panel, then manually connect the letters. Step 6. Once done, select the connected letters and click Group. Step 7. Select the second word, resize it and repeat the same steps to set the spacing, then group them. Step 8. Next, select the first two texts, click Align, then select Center horizontally. Step 9. Resize the texts if required, then select all the text, click Align and select Center horizontally. Step 10. Zoom out and check how the design looks like. Step 11. Click on the Shapes tool and select a square to make a template. Step 12. Click on the Color Swatch button and change the color. Step 13. Unlock the shape by clicking on the Padlock button in the toolbar, then change the width and height of the template. Step 14. Select the design and drag it over the template, then right-click on the template and select Send to Back. Step 15. Resize and adjust the design to make sure everything looks good. Step 16. Select everything, click on the Align drop-down menu and select Center horizontally. Step 17. With the design selected, click on Group, then Weld. Step 18. If you notice the yellow icon in the Layers panel which indicates that the design is too big, click on the Undo button in the upper left corner of the canvas. Step 19. Select the template layer and click on the eye icon to hide it, then select the design and click Ungroup. Step 20. Select the bottom two texts, click Group, check the size and then click on Weld. Step 21. Next, select the first text, click on Group, then Weld. Step 22. Unhide the template, adjust it, select everything, click Align and Center horizontally, then hide the square template again. Step 23. When you're ready, click on Make It, adjust the size in the Prepare screen, then click Continue. Step 24. Grab your cutting mat and the vinyl, cut the vinyl to size and remove the protective layer from the mat. Step 25. Place the vinyl onto the mat and use a roller to make sure that it's attached to the mat. Step 26. Load the mat to your Cricut machine by pressing the Load and Unload button, then press the C button to start cutting. Step 27. Once it's done, press the arrow button to unload the mat and remove the vinyl from the mat. Step 28. While the second mat is cutting, weed off the design from the vinyl. Step 29. Grab transfer paper and place it on top of the vinyl, smooth it down and trim off the excess. Step 30. Now place the design on the mat and measure first to make sure that everything is centered. Step 31. Remove the backing sheet from the vinyl, tape it down onto the mat and remove the transfer sheet. Step 32. Repeat the same step with the remaining piece of design. Step 33. Take your paint, put on your protective gear, grab the brush and place a parchment paper on top of the design. Step 34. Use a blow dryer all over the design to ensure that the design sticks easier to the doormat and has crisp lines. Step 35. Once done, remove the parchment paper and paint it. Step 36. Do double coating if required. Step 37. Once you're done painting, grab Flex Seal and apply it on top to make the design darker. Step 38. Once done, remove the stencil from the mat, let it sit for 24 hours to dry, and you're done. For more such help and information, visit us at www.manimaker.com or call us at +1 786 866 5932 +44 020 3983 0480.